Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to learn practice set number 3.4, Mathematics 2, chapter number 3, Circle. Okay, this exercise is based on inscribed angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. So, you all can see the angle BAC will be half of major arc BDC. We have to prove that. Always remember, the measure of an angle subtended by an arc at a point on the circle is half of the measure of the angle subtended by the arc at the center. Remember students, angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. You all can see the two angles over here, PQR and PSR. Okay, they are inscribed in the same arc PTR, and angles inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Semicircle means half circle, and we will learn about cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, they have given us if all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Means the opposites over here, the theorem says that opposites angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, means 180. The opposite angle will be what? A plus C 180, B plus D equals 180. So this exercise, it is based on this theorem. Practice set number 3.4, sum number 1. In the figure, in a circle with center O, length of chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Find measure of each of the following. So they have given us AB is the radius, and we know that OA equals OB, radii of same circle, and AB they has given us radius of the given circle. So we can say these three are the radius, means these three are equal. So if these three, AO equals AB equals OB are equal, so we can say that triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle by definition. So measure of angle AOB equals 60 degree, measure of an angle of an equilateral triangle. So measure arc AB equals measure angle AOB by definition of measure of minor arc. So measure arc AB equals 60. Why? Because angle AOB equals measure arc AB. Next we have to find angle ACB. Angle ACB equals half measure arc AB by inscribed angle theorem. So half into arc 60 is AB is what? 60. So half into 60 will give you 30. Now we have to find arc ACB. This arc ACB, we know measure arc ACB plus arc AB equals 360. Measure of a circle is 360. We know arc AB as 60. So 360 minus 60 will give you 300. So measure arc ACB equals 300. Sum number 3. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Angle R equals 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N equals 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measure of angle R and N. So I have drawn the figure over here. Angle N is 4x plus 4. Angle R is 5x minus 13. So quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral given. So angle R plus angle N equals 180. Cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Opposite angles are supplementary. So 5x minus 13 plus 4x plus 4 equals 180. So x on one side and number on the other side. So value of x equals 21. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 ones are. So value of x is 21. So angle R is 5x minus 13. So substitute the value of x and angle R equals 92 degree. Same way, angle N equals 4x plus 4. So substitute the value of x, 4 into 21 plus 4 will give you 88. So angle R equals 92 and angle N equals 88. If you all add 92 plus 88, it will come 180. So opposites angle of supplementary cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Sum number 5, prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. So I have drawn a rectangle over here. Rectangle PQRS, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. We have to prove that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we know this, it is a rectangle. So angle P equals angle Q equals angle R S equal angle S equals 90 degree, angle of a rectangle. If we'll add this angle P plus angle R, 90 plus 90 will give you 180. So opposites angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So we can say that quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, the converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Sum number 7, major arc NS equals 125, major arc EF equals 37 degree. Find the measure of angle NMS. So measure of angle NMS equals half major arc this NS minus major arc EF. In case of exterior we will do minus. So NS is 125, EF is 37. So 125 minus 37. So we'll give you 88. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So angle NMS equals 44 degree. Sum number 8, in the figure chord AC and DE intersect at B. If AEB angle ABE equals 108 degree, major arc AE equals 95 degree, find major arc DC. Now they are intersecting these two chords internally. So major angle ABE equals half major arc DC plus AE. So ABE equals 108, they have given half into major arc DC plus 95. So this I have taken over here, cross multiply will give you 216. So 216 minus 95 will give you major arc DC as 121 degree. With that, practice set number 3.4 has been completed. Thank you.